paper, nobody me no wait pan. 30 millions fast on the paper.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. I am Mareisa, and in today's video I'll be going on the hunt for golden apple. So in my country and in the current country that I'm in, look at the wind. Woo! We're getting strong wind. Yeah, right now we're getting really yeah. So right now we're getting really heavy wind, right? So I'm going on the hunt to get some golden apple to make some golden apple stew. I don't know if other country call it different name, but we usually call it golden apple. And let me get right into this video. Awesome. So we are on the hunt for golden apple. So right now I'm going to wash my golden apples. So we're gonna wash them. And right now we're gonna peel them. So I'm finished peeling my golden apples and I'm washing them now. Okay, so we're gonna put on the pot. We're gonna put on our pot. I'm gonna drop a cinnamon stick inside of it and some ginger. I'm gonna drop some ginger inside of it. And we're gonna put in our golden apples. And we're gonna leave that to boil. So after putting in the golden apple, we are gonna leave it to boil and we are gonna cover it. So a little boiling now start to go on. So let me get a little more time. Okay. So we're gonna check it. Ooh! Hold it for me, sir. So it's doing a thing now and we're gonna spin it around a bit. Yeah, and you're smelling the ginger and so on in there. Yes, sir. So I'm going to throw in my sugar now. And I'm going to spin it up. And we are gonna cover it and leave it to boil again. This is how it look after the sugar is in. Yes, sir. And we're leaving it there until it come in thick and the color start changing on the golden apples. So we see it coming in, it bubbling. So it's coming in and the golden apples are turning brown and it's coming thicker. Yeah. So let's leave it another 3 minutes or so. Okay, so that's it. My golden apple stew or golden apple jam is finished. So I'll be taking off the pot. And my pot is burning up. But it's fine. It's worth it. So that's it for this video. Thank you. How it is? Thank you for watching this video. And see you guys on the next one. And about this thing. Golden apple jam. Or golden apple stew. However you want to call it. And it's awesome.